Assalamualaikum students, today is grammar lecture and today in our lecture we will learn about how we can create sentences according to given different objects, things, places or persons. Students, in order to create appealing sentences, firstly it is necessary for us, firstly we will observe all features or positions of different things, place or persons or the use of these things. Like if we want to create sentence about any person or any personality, firstly we will think about his profession or his duty or his different activities. Then we can create sentence according to that given person. And if we want to create sentence about anything, then firstly we will think about its position, its color, its use or shape. Then we can create sentence according to that given thing or object. And students, if we want to create sentence about any place, then we can observe which type of place is it, from where this place is situated. Situated means vakya. Like here we will create some sentences. I will tell you how we can create sentences. For example, if we want to create sentence about any person, if the given person is policeman, firstly we will think about its profession. We can write about any person, he person has this profession. For example, if we want to write about our father, we can write about my father is a policeman. Here we are talking about the profession of father. Next we can create sentence about the duty of policeman. We can create this type of sentence also. You know what is the duty of a policeman? We can write here, a policeman protects us. You know protect mean हिफाजत करना. तो you know पुलिसमैन हमें किससे प्रोटेक्ट करता है? द पुलिसमैन प्रोटेक्ट्स अस फ्रॉम क्रिमिनल्स. Criminals means mujrim. Students, in first sentence we are talking about profession, and in second sentence we are talking about the action or duty of given person, policeman. And according to singular we have used here is. If and in next sentence we will talk about object. If second object or thing, for example book. Students, here we can write about the color, shape, use and position of book. If we want to write about the position of book, then we can say that the book is singular, that's why we have used here is, on the table. Here on is preposition. Preposition, you know what is preposition? Preposition is that word which shows the position of things. Here on is showing the position of book. Where is the book? The book is on the table. Here we are talking about the position of book. We can create sentence according to the position of book. Next we can talk about the use of book. You know for which purpose we use book? We use book for reading. Here we can write about ourselves, I am reading a book. Here reading is showing the use of book. And students, if our next word is cupboard. Students, this is also thing or object. Here we can write about the color of cupboard. You know what is the color of cupboard? We can say that the cupboard color is brown. And next, if we want to write about place, or if our given word is classroom, it is place. Here we can write about which type of place is it. We can write my classroom. Students, here classroom is also singular, that's why we have used here helping verb is. My classroom is big and airy. When we can create this sentence in order to tell which type of place is it. Next, if we talk about rulers, then we can use word students. Students, here we can write about the action of students. We can write about students, you know where students go, students कहाँ जाते हैं, तो we can write about students are going to school. Here we are writing about the action of students. Students are going to school. Hopefully students, you got my point, how we can create sentences according to different given words. When we want to write about any personality, then we can firstly think about his profession, his duty or his action. Then we can create sentence. If the given personality is singular, then we can use helping verb is. Or if the given personalities are more than one, then we can use are. And we can write about their actions, their profession or their duty in order to create different sentences. And if the given words are object or things, then we can write about their position, color, their use or shape. And in the same way, if the object or things are singular, then we can use is, but if the objects are plural, then we can use are. And in order to write about different places, we can write about which type of place is it where that place is situated. While thinking these things, we can create sentences very easily. Now students, you will create 5 sentences by taking any 5 words by yourself. इस वीडियो के आखिर पर मैं एक पैगाम वालिदैन को देना चाहती हूँ। अस्सलाम वालेकुम मोहतरम वालिदैन, मैं आपको इन्फॉर्म करना चाहती हूँ कि स्कूल इंतज़ामिया ने बच्चों से कुछ असेसमेंट कंडक्ट करवाने का फ़ैसला किया है ताकि बच्चों का ताल्लुक़ तलीमी सरगर्मियों से बरकरार रख सकें। इसलिए वालिदैन आपसे गुजारिश है कि स्कूल इंतज़ामिया के साथ कोऑपरेट करें और स्कूल ऑफिस से असेसमेंट कलेक्ट करें और असेसमेंट कलेक्ट करने के बाद बच्चों से अपनी निगरानी में पूरी ईमानदारी से असेसमेंट हल करवाएं और असेसमेंट हल करवाने के बाद दोबारा स्कूल ऑफिस में जमा करवा दें ताकि स्कूल खुलने के बाद जब बच्चों से अचानक इम्तिहान लिए जाएं तो बच्चे उनमें अच्छी कारकर्दगी का मुजाहरा कर सकें। लेकिन इधर मैं एक और बात वाज़ह करना चाहती हूँ कि अगर बच्चे असेसमेंट में बेहतरीन कारकर्दगी का मुजाहरा करते हैं लेकिन वो इम्तिहानात में कामयाब नहीं हो पाते तो बच्चों को अगली क्लास में दाखिल नहीं किया जाएगा। इसलिए आपसे गुजारिश है कि बच्चों से असेसमेंट पूरी ईमानदारी से हल करवाएं। शुक्रिया।